So sourcing again good stone from the forest. You know, that's free material. You can gather some stones and build your own cob house. Of course, I need a lot of stone in order to build the house, but there is plenty of stone everywhere in the Rhodope Mountains, and you can gather it for free. Okay, I see some good stones here. These are very good stones for stone masonry work. This one is specifically strong one. Okay, I'm gonna need a lot of stone for this. Oh, over there one good stone. Yeah, different types of rocks around. This one is not good because it's a sandstone that is a little bit, you know, being destroyed by the weathering. Oh, it's dangerous too. See now, this thing is very good form, very good shape. Yeah. Well, it's a bit messy, but this is how I do this, you know, folks. I just go, gather the stone, put the car. Now, later on, I'm gonna be throwing it down the slope because the access with car to the spot where I'm building the cob house is not good. A little bit challenges, but of course, I'm going to continue. Today also I will start digging the trench for the base of the first walls. But let me now gather some more stone and I'm gonna come again in my next video. Thanks for watching, folks.